Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about assessment questions set A. This set contains two parts, which is part A and part B. Part A is about topic 3, which is compound interest. So without wasting any time, let's get started. For part A, we have two questions. So for question 1, we will let our groupmate Nia be the one who is going to explaining the answers for all of you.
Part A, question 1. A. Zilha invests 12,300 in an account that earns 13.5% interest compound semi-annual. How long it will take for her investment to double in value? We can use the compound interest formula. First, define the variables. P principal amount was 12,300. For rate 13.5% will change to 0.135. Compounding period per year, annual. 2 semi-future value. A. 2 times P equals 2 times 12,300 become 24,600 in the values, and so for T. 24,600 equals 12,300 open bracket 1 plus 0.135 equals 2 close bracket to T, both sides by 2,300 and become 2. 2 equals open bracket 1 plus 0.135 equals 2 close bracket to T and become 2 equals open bracket 1 plus 0.0675 close bracket to T and in open bracket 2 close bracket divide 2 in open bracket 1.0675 close bracket will be T equals 0.693147 divided with 2.0.065325 and become T equals 0.693147 divided 0.13065 and last become answer 5.305 years. Investment to double in value. We can use the compound interest formula. First, define the variables. P principal amount was 12,300. For rate 13.5% will change to 0.135. Compounding period per year, annual. 2 semi-future value. A. 2 times P equals 2 times 12,300 become 24,600 in the values, and so for T. 24,600 equals 12,300 open bracket 1 plus 0.135 equals 2 close bracket to T, both sides by 2,300 and become 2. 2 equals open bracket 1 plus 0.135 equals 2 close bracket to T and become 2 equals open bracket 1 plus 0.0675 close bracket to T and 2 equals open bracket 1.0675 open close bracket to T. Using in calculator of both sides. T equal in open bracket 2 close bracket divide 2 in open bracket 1.0675 close bracket will be T equals 0.693147 divided with 2.0.065325 and become T equals 0.693147 divided 0.13065 and last become answer 5.305 years. We will run to 2 decimal place 5.31 years. Find the amount Bazila will receive at the end of 5 years. We use formula used is like S equals P open bracket 1 plus R equal divided N close bracket and T. For the S, we will search the final amount we will have NP principal 20,000 RM R for the rate 7.5% and to the 0.075 and how many times per year the interest is calculated is 4 compound quarter and time is 5 years. S equals 20,000 open bracket 1 plus 0.075 divided with 4 close bracket 4 multiplied with 5 and S equals 20,000 become open bracket 1 plus 0.01875 close bracket become 20. S equals 20,000 open bracket 1.01875 close bracket 20 and last will become the answer S RM 29,010 ringgit 60 cents. B to Roman. After 5 years, the bank increased the interest rate to 8% compound quarterly. Find the amount in Bazila's account at the end of 7 years of investment. For the B to Roman, S equals 29,010 ringgit 60 cents open bracket 1 plus 0.08 divided 4 close bracket 4 multiplied with 2 and become 29,010 ringgit 60 cents open bracket 1 plus 0.02 close bracket 8 and final answer is RM 34,009 ringgit 64 cents.
Let's move on to part A, question 2. This time, we will let Maisara be responsible for explaining the answer to this question.
Part A, questions 2. A. 5 years ago, Ahmad deposit RM15,000 into an account that earned 5% interest compounded monthly. Today, he plans to add RMY to the account. Find the value of Y if he wants to have RM45,000 in the account after 10 years from today. First step, T 5 years ago, and for P deposit, we will get RM15,000 and interest rate K equal to 0.05 and compounding M equal to 12 time period. Next, we calculate number of compounding period, which is N equals to M times T. We will get 5 times 12 is 60. Next, we will use P2 equals to 19,250.38 plus Y. For the N, we will use 10 times 12 and you will get 120. And for S, we will use RM45,000. So, you will get 45,000 ringgit equals to 19,238 plus Y bracket 1 plus 0.05 over 12 bracket power of 120 is 7,322.25 minus 19,250.38 equals to Y. So you will get Y equals to 8,071.87. Questions B. For this question, we need to find the maturity value. Firstly, we need to solve for the first 6 years. You will get T equal to 6 years. Principal P equals to RM7,000 ringgit, K equal to 0.064 and M equal to 12. Use formula S equals to P bracket 1 plus I bracket the power of N. So S equal to 7,000 bracket 1 plus 0.064 over 12 bracket power of 72. We will get S equals to 10,266.54. For the next 4 years, we use formula S equal to 10,266.54 bracket 1 plus 0.06 over 3 bracket power of 12. And the final answer, you will get S equal to 30,020.26 ringgit. The next question, the total of interest earned I equal to S minus P. So you will get I equal to 13,020.46 minus 7,000. You will get 6,020.46 ringgit. Okay, now that we are done with part A, so let's move on to part B, which is about topic 4 annuity. This part has 2 questions, and for the first question, we will let Ain explain it to you.
Part B, question 1. Kenanga Bank offers a personal loan of 250,000 ringgit with an interest rate of 4.5% compounded monthly. The customer must pay back the loan through monthly payment for 25 years. From the question, interest rate is 4.5%, which is 0.048, M equals to 12. For the T, 25 years. Find the monthly payment. We can use the formula R equals to A divided by brackets 1 minus bracket 1 plus I bracket negative power N divided by I. The information given into the formula R equals to 250,000 ringgit divided by bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.048 divided by 12 bracket power of minus 30 and divided by 0.048 divided by 12 and brackets, and get the answer 1,432 ringgit 49 cents. Question B, N equals to 300 minus 288. We can get 12. Amount to be paid for R, we can use the previous answer equals to 1,432 ringgit 49 cents brackets 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.048 divided by 12 brackets to the power of negative 12 divided by 0.048 divided by 12 and bracket, and you can use your calculator and you will get 16,751 ringgit 16 cents. Done with question 1. Now let's move on to 2. And for this question, I will let Najwa be in charge.
Alisha borrowed RM25,000 to buy a sofa set. She agreed to settle the loan in 24 monthly payments at 4.8% compounded monthly. A. Find the monthly payment and the total interest charge. Our A is 25,000 ringgit, N is 24, K is 4.8%, M is supposed to be 12, I is equal to 0.048 over 12. We are going to use the formula R equal to A over 1 minus times 1 plus I powered by negative N over I. Substitute the A to 25,000 ringgit, the I to 0.048 over 12, and the N to negative 24. And you will get the answer, which is 1,094.55 cents. Now let's find for the amount that Alisha need to pay to settle the outstanding areas. The formula is S equal to R in brackets 1 plus I powered by N minus 1 over I. Substitute the R to 1,269.20 cents and the I for 0.048 over 12. Our N is 6. And you will get the answer, 7,691.76 cents. And that's the end of our assessment. That's all from us. And if you like the way we explain the answer to you, make sure to leave a like. See you later.